I chose my career tech major because I was really interested in cars for most of my life, but I never knew a way to express it until I came to the Career Center.
Our curriculum's ASE NATEF based and also ICAR based.
Right now, we are working on our fender projects, which is we get a fender from a car and we try to repair it, do body work, and paint it.
Basic body man will learn the welding, the dent removal, body work, the plastic fillers, paint and refinish, the estimating. There's safety certifications as far as SP2, OSHA, EPA 6H spray gun certification, so you're allowed to actually use a spray gun in a shop.
Right now, I know how to weld, I know how to do dent removal, and I know how to paint, and that's mostly what I wanted to do.
Yeah, summer internships are usually about 10 weeks. They work in a local shop with a technician. They learn that what they need to do the job, how to do the job, work with somebody with a lot of experience.
For Ohio Technical College, I would like to pursue painting and refinishing and learn more about how to weld and more about how to fix the cars technically.
They can go to the college level, they can go into the military, go right to job, or they can go to a college career tech that have fabrication and racing programs, and maybe they want to take this beginning step and further it. If you have a passion for art, working with your hands, being able to see the results of what you work on, that's this program.